Hello friends, good evening. So in this video we'll discuss about an important aspect which is happening tomorrow, which is Sun 120 degree with Uranus. This is a very important aspect. It comes very rarely and it has good impacts on all kind of markets, be it US markets or Indian markets or European markets. It has a very good impact. As per our notes, it is shown that it is very important for NTCs. So we'll go and quickly backtest how this event is performing. So, like yesterday, in yesterday's video, we have discussed, we expect Bank Nifty to make a top today and Nifty to see a good decline. So, as you have seen today, Bank Nifty made a new high, almost new high, and Nifty was underperforming the, Bank Nifty because of the IT index fall. So, what could be the next potential move of the market? So, today, within few minutes, you will see what US Fed will be doing and I mean uh, the commentary at 12 o'clock will be more important. I mean, everybody knows there will be a cut, whether it is 25 basis point or 50 is something which is debatable, but again, whatever is the cut, the reaction of the market after the commentary is more important. Then because market has already factored in, all the markets throughout the world are almost near their highs, US market, Indian markets. So what could be the next potential move? So one particular aspect which is coming, it is called as sun trine Uranus. Sun 120 degree with Uranus. Sun is with 120 degree with Uranus. Sun is very important for PSU, and Uranus is very, it's basically a stock market planet, but it's more on the innovation part. So IT stock should be on limelight with PSU stocks, both should be on limelight, on your radar. So let's see what this see here. It made a short term bottom and we got 3-4 days of good rally. If you go here, exactly top made, and from there 3-4 days of good decent decline in the market. After that it came here. You can see next day it made a top, made multiple bottoms here, and from there we had a decent rally. Again, kind of next day top out and market saw a good decline. So we have observed within 1 or 2 days we generally see a good rally or a good fall in the market. So this is very important, because what Nifty has been doing. Nifty, if we open the chart of Nifty and observe, so last 4 days after that Thursday's big rise, Nifty has not done anything. It is consolidating within that range with forming and today it has formed a decent outside bar pattern. So like we have discussed yesterday, Nifty, Bank Nifty both has formed NR21 pattern, and today it has formed an outside bar pattern. Now outside bar are very important. I mean, we have observed either they are formed near the bottom or near the top, right? So is very important. It automatically, if it breaks today's high, these are the targets: 580, 678, 777 and 875. And if today's low, which is 22,285, is broken, which is 25,187, 088, 24,990 and 24,892, these will be our targets. Like I've spoken yesterday, 25,310 is an important level, and 25,280 is your GAN level, right? So we need to break this range. So today also it was not able to break it. Tomorrow, if it opens gap down, as per neural forecast, what I've shown yesterday, I mean, you can revisit that video if you want to see the neural forecast. It shows that tomorrow we can see a decent decline. So probably we might open gap down. So 25,280 if broken, the next important level is this GAN monthly trend chain level, which is around 20,090, and below that 24,964. This is the range. And on upside, if today's high is broken, then we are heading towards 25,600 and 25,692, 25,700. Similarly, for Bank Nifty has done one important thing. It has closed above the SAP, which is 6 months pivot, semi-annual pivot. So, this black line is the SAP line. If you can see here, it just corrected from here, a very decent decline. It has closed above it, so which is a bullish signal. But tomorrow, if it breaks this line, SAP line, then we are heading all the way towards 51,180. We are heading towards this line, 52,174. Let me put the GAN levels also. Yeah, the SAP and both are same. So probably once 52,458 is broken, then we are heading towards 52,000, and below that 51,517 and then 51,180 is what we are seeing on this on Bank Nifty. This aspect is very, very important, and today we have these three lunar aspects. I mean, the partial lunar eclipse, full moon, and moon declination. Now, whenever we these things comes together, we see a trend change in the market. And today we have formed a perfect outside bar in Nifty, which is very, very outside bars are formed near the highs and lows only. And for Bank Nifty also, if we see here, we have broken the NR21 pattern, and we have done almost all the targets of NR21 pattern, which is important. So now for tomorrow, Bank Nifty, the levels which we have discussed, we have to keep in mind. So this aspect is very, very important. So let's see whether we form a short-term top, or we rally from here is something which needs to be seen. But we should see 3 to 4 days of rally, and again we are having 23rd. Again we are having that season change dates, can natural dates, so which is important. So let's see how market behaves. With this aspect and with the neural focus which I've shown yesterday, we should see a decline, and then we should see a rally back after 23rd is what is the forecast now. Let's see how market behaves. The levels are clearly defined, and I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined.